I had an idea at work the other day. This happens once in a while, it's not entirely uncommon. I was trying to find a way to draw some attention to a printed product, like a brochure or a pamphlet. I searched around for some ideas online, didn't really find what I was looking for, and then I got to thinking again that there's really no better way to draw attention to a product than to use a nice curvy piece of ash. And fortunately I had an ash log sitting in my driveway, and I also have that bandsaw sitting behind me, which is great for making curves, so I came up with a design that I thought would be pretty cool to share. This is not a build video, it's just a concept video. If there's anybody out there like me who was just looking for an idea of something they could build, this is the video for you. Let's take a look at what I came up with. I had to start from halfway across the room to get that thing to fit in the picture, but there it is. As you can see, it's thicker on the bottom than on the top, and it curves as it's going up. It's about 3 inches thick at the bottom, and it's set into the base with the big mortise and tenon. And then as you go up to the top, it tapers down to about 1.25 inches. And then the cup is held on there with 2 screws. Those are the only 2 screws that are actually holding anything together in the whole thing. I did put 2 in the bottom of the base just to clamp that mortise and tenon in place, but other than that, those 2 screws are just holding. Let's see, these 2 pieces are glued together. These 2 are not, so that's holding the cup onto the vertical piece. And that way, if I ever wanted to make a bigger cup or a different design, I could do that without having to tear anything apart. And that's pretty much it. It's two big pieces of wood glued together for the base, and they're pretty symmetrical. It's got some cool figure on there, some cracks on the bottom, which add to the character. And then on the cup, I ran that through the table saw and put in some Purple Heart splines. And you can just use that for catching people's attention, and hopefully they'll walk over and look at whatever product you have in there. I mean, you can have like marketing materials or information or subliminal messages if you're into that sort of thing. I mean, whatever floats your boat, this thing will accommodate it. So that's the idea, and I hope somebody has some fun with this. And if you build something cooler or equally cool or almost as cool, feel free to post a link to it down in the comments. I'd love to see it. And thanks for watching.